everyone. Today I'm going to show you one of the many tricks my dog, Butter, can do. He's a really sweet and good dog. Now, Butter, look at me. Bark one. Bark one. One. Good girl, good girl. Butter, bark two. Good girl. Butter, bark three. Three, girl. Good girl. Four. Good girl. Five. Butter. That's five. Come on. Finish. Bark one, Butter. Come on. One. Come on, Butter. Come on. One. Good girl. You are a good girl. Yes, you are. Sponsored by No Grainers. 100% grain-free. Alright, Butter. Now we're going to do the numbers random. Okay? Wait until you're done eating. Okay, Butter, bark two. Come on, bark two. Good girl. Butter, bark four. I guess that wasn't bark, it was kind of a sneeze. Okay, Butter. Three. Butter, bark three. Good girl. Butter, bark two. Stop sneezing. Bark two. Good girl. One. Good girl. Butter, five. Good girl. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Who's that, Butter? Who's that, Butter? I will stand back. The Butter's watching me. Release tension. Alright, guys. You saw one of Butter's many tricks. Stay tuned to see all of Butter's super cool tricks. Alright, Butter. Bark one for the audience. Butter, bark one. You gotta bark one. Good bark. Alright, Butter. Say goodbye. Butter, say goodbye. Butter, bark one. She said goodbye.